Hi everyone, in this video we'll make 3D grid building system in Unity. Let's start. Firstly, add a plane to the scene, or if you have, you don't need to add. This will act as the ground for our grid. After that, create a new script called grid system. Now let's add our variables. Public game object to place. This is the object we'll place on the grid. And public float grid size, this determines the size of each grid cell. And private game object ghost object is the transparent preview object. And private hashset vector free is a collection of all grid positions that are already occupied, ensuring the fast lookups. After that, we create a method called createGhostObject. The purpose of this method instantiates the ghost object from the prefab and makes it semi-transparent for visibility, and disables the collider of the ghost object to avoid interactions with other objects. Next method is updateGhostPosition. This method performs a raycast from the mouse position in the screen space to the 3D world to detect where the mouse is pointing, and snaps the ghost object to the closest grid position, and also checks if the snapped position is occupied by looking up the position in occupied positions hashset. If the position is occupied, it changes the ghost object's color to red, or if the position is free, it resets the ghost color to transparent white. Next method is setGhostColor. This method changes the color of the ghost objects renders to the provided color. This method is used to make ghost object red when the position is occupied. Next method is placeObject. This method checks if the grid cell at the ghost object's position is free. If free, it places the actual object at that location and adds the position to the occupied positions hash set to mark it as occupied, and this prevents placing multiple objects in the same grid cell. And finally, we add our start and update methods. In start method, we call createGhostObject method when the game starts to instantiate and set up the ghost object. And after that, in the update method, we call updateGhostPosition method to keep the ghost object moving with the mouse. And detects mouse clicks to trigger placeObject method, which places the object on the grid if the position is valid. So that's it. Then open Unity and create a cube and make some settings and make it prefab. Then attach our script to our plane object. Then drag and drop the prefab of the object we want to place into the object to place field in the inspector. Let's test it. As you can see, our example works. If you like this video, please subscribe, also leave a comment. See you in the next video.